Guys, what do you want to eat for lunch today?
I have no idea. Can you decide? I think maybe let's
Hi guys, I want to ask, do you know your rights at your place?
I'm not sure.
We don't think we do. Hi everyone. Key information about workplace responsibility, leadership, and the laws that protect workers like you. By the way, our team member Maureen, she couldn't be here in person, but she's joining us through online. So everyone can say hi.
Hello everyone, thanks for having me here. I'm happy to join even if it's online.
The first law we want to talk about is the Occupational Safety and Health Act of 1994 or OSHA. This law forms the backbone of workplace safety in Malaysia. What it does is make sure that employers provide a safe environment for employees, whether they work in factories, office, or even remotely. OSHA requires companies to identify and reduce hazards before they cause accidents or injuries. And this means employees need to provide safety equipment such as helmets or gloves or protective clothing to train workers on how to do their job safely and have emergency plan ready. Employees also have rights under OSHA, including the ability to refuse work that they believe that could be dangerous for them. Overall, OSHA is about preventing injuries and making the workplace a healthy place to be.
Next up is this Employee Social Security Act 1969, better known as ESA, which is a power as so. This law is applicable for those who are earning 4,000 and less per month. Under ESA, employees have to register their employee in the SOCSO for the monthly contribution. What SOCSO does is provide the legal care, rehabilitations and financial assistance for the employee who suffer from work accidents whenever they go to work or maybe inside of the organization itself. So SOCSO is also help the employee to who are injured by commuting from the works, and they provide the support to those their family and the employee itself. Their aim is to reduce the financial burden during the difficult times and also help workers and their family to get back to their feet.
Nuri, may I ask you a question? From your experience, do you feel that most employees really understand their rights under OSHA, ESA, and EPF?
Honestly, I think many employees only have a very basic understanding, or sometimes they only find out about their right after something bad happens. For example, some workers only learn what SOCSO covers when a colleague gets injured, and a lot of younger employees don't check their EPF savings regularly, which means that they might miss out on knowing how their contributions grow or when they can make withdrawal. So this lack of awareness can lead to unnecessary stress or missed benefit. And that's why I think companies should communicate these rights more clearly and regularly, not just during the hiring process.
So basically, I think this makes a lot of sense. So what do you think the companies could do to improve the awareness and make this law easier to understand by others?
I believe that awareness should be part of everyday company culture instead of just putting up posters or handing out pamphlets. Companies could organize regular training that are interactive and also engaging. For example, short videos, quizzes, or workshop can help employees learn in a fun way.
So basically, to put everything together under the OSHA, employees are responsibility to making sure that the workplace is critically safe. So that this also includes by providing the right equipment and also the proper training for the in order to prevent the accident from happening in the company. So meanwhile, for the ESA, it's also required for the employers to register their employees under the SOCSO and also to making the monthly contributions to provide the benefit for the employees in the future. Once for the employee itself, ESA offers immediate protection by providing medical care and also the financial assistance for the future in case if there are any accident or health issues related to work. While for the EPF on the other hand, it's also for the long-term saving that designed to give the employees it also to secure the financial security after they retire. and as well as to provide the options to withdraw the fund to provide for important life needs like buying a house or the paying for the education for the future. Together, this law can make the credit system that protects worker safety, health and also the financial well-being throughout their working life and beyond.
In my opinion, to help everyone understand better about the benefit from this law, we can propose this Safe and Secure at Work campaign. And this company could focus on building awareness and encouraging leadership in social security and workplace safety companies. What do you think?
Oh, I have an idea. How about we plan a campaign that includes monthly briefing, also provide practical tips but in an easy to understand language, because not everybody understands the law terms and also works in the law industry. So this will be easy to understand and also will be simple, and we can also break down OSHA, ISA and also EPF that might give guidance to them in case they don't know about it, then they will know.
Your safety is our responsibility. Your future is